Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the application. If you don't know how, at this channel we have videos about it. Right here you need to go to the equalizer. This is a third line, so you just tap on it, and right here we have bass boost, so you tap at this preset, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.